If you've been following the markets, you know there's a lot happening right now. Just recently, Nvidia surpassed Microsoft to become the second most valuable company in the world, with a market cap of $3.259 trillion. If you'd had the right tools, you wouldn't have missed the chance to catch that move early. Here's what I mean. This indicator tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell any asset. For example, you could have bought Nvidia shares anywhere between $104 and $107 just a month ago. Today, as I'm making this video, Nvidia is trading around $132. That's a solid 24 to 25% gain. Not bad, right? But when it comes to crypto, 25% in a month is cute. The real gains are even bigger. And that's why I'm so excited to share this tool with you, because it takes all the guesswork out of spotting these opportunities, whether you're looking at stocks like Nvidia or your favorite cryptos. Crazy, right? Beginners are investing like masters. Imagine getting your hands on a tool like this. What would you do with it? This indicator is a powerful tool with the potential to completely transform your financial future. And that's why I'm inviting a select group to join me and my friends on a free webinar where we'll break down exactly how we use it to spot these kinds of opportunities. Here's the catch though, only the first 40 people who sign up will get access because we're keeping this group small and focused. If you're accepted, you'll get an inside look at how this indicator works. And as a thank you, you'll receive $10 in Bitcoin just for attending. But remember, with only 40 spots available, this will fill up fast. So, if you're ready to see what's possible and make sure you're not missing out on the next big opportunity, click below to secure your spot now. I'm excited to share what's been working for me, and I hope to see you on the inside.